Hey Dazzlers! In today's video, I'm sharing simple but elegant spring hacks using Dollar Tree solar lights. So let's get started. For idea number one, we're using the blush colored lights. I'm also using hard plastic straws that I purchased from Dollar Tree around Valentine's Day. I used a strong adhesive to attach a straw to each of the plastic stems. I've decided to keep the pink straws as they are, but if you don't like the color of your straws, you can simply cover them with Dollar Tree floral tape. Next, I added floral foam to the inside of a Dollar Tree planter. I then added my solar lights along with other florals, all from Dollar Tree. For this large arrangement, I ended up using 12 of the solar lights. I added ribbon to the outside of my planter, and here's how idea number one turned out. For idea number two, we're using the yellow lights on a much smaller scale. For idea number three, we're using a Dollar Tree jar candle holder. I removed the solar light from its stem, attached it to the top of the jar lid before filling the jar with Dollar Tree acrylic gems. You can fill this jar with more lights, flowers, moss. The possibilities are endless. Here's how my mini solar-powered lanterns turned out. For idea number 4, we're starting off with a Dollar Tree pool noodle. I used tape to make a circle with my pool noodle. I then wrapped the pool noodle with Dollar Tree burlap ribbon. I used 2 rolls of the burlap ribbon, but still didn't have quite enough, so I ended up repurposing the ribbon from an older wreath I already had at home. Now that I have my solar lights in place, I covered up the rest of the pool noodle with garland, eucalyptus stems, and fern, all from Dollar Tree. So far, I've added 3 of the garland, but we don't need the leaves towards the back, so I cut those and re-glued them to the front. I continued adding the leaves until the front and the sides were completely covered. And here's how my mom's new solar-powered sunflower door wreath turned out. I really love how all 4 projects turned out. I think they're beautiful, but what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, Dazzlers, bye!